This video will guide you through the process of replacing the front ABS wheel speed sensors on a 2009 Toyota Corolla L4, 1.8 liters. The ABS wheel speed sensors are typically placed on the wheel hubs and near the brake rotors. The ABS wheel speed sensors monitor the speed of each wheel and provide the data to the ABS control module, which adjusts the brake pressure as necessary to prevent wheel lockup during braking, helping to maintain control of the vehicle. The following procedure is for the left-hand side. Use the same procedure for the right-hand side. Note that if the sensor rotor requires replacement, replace it with the front drive outboard joint shaft assembly, Toyota Motor Corporation made, or front drive shaft assembly, US manufacturing and Japanese made. Begin by removing the ABS wheel speed sensor. 1. Disconnect the negative battery cable from the battery negative terminal. 2. Use a lift to raise and support the vehicle. Use an appropriate socket and a breaker bar or impact wrench to loosen and remove the lug nuts on the front wheel. 3. Apply protective tape around the side mudguard. Remove 2 clips, 3 screws, 9 retainers, and disengage 8 clips to remove the side mudguard. 4. Remove 8 clips, screws, and 3 grommets to remove the front fender liner. 5. The procedure for removing the front ABS wheel speed sensors may vary slightly depending on the original assembly location and vehicle options. I'd use a screwdriver to carefully disconnect the front wheel speed sensor connector. B. Remove the front wheel speed sensor wire harness clamp from the body. C. Use a socket set and ratchet to remove the bolts and the number 2 sensor clamp from the body. D. Use a socket set and ratchet to remove the bolts and separate the brake flexible hose. E. Remove the number 1 sensor clamp from the shock absorber. F. Remove the clamp from the shock absorber. G. Remove the bolt in the front wheel speed sensor. Finish by installing a new ABS wheel speed sensor. 1. Install a new ABS wheel speed sensor using the following steps. Install the front wheel speed sensor with the bolt. B. Temporarily install the number 1 sensor clamp on the shock absorber. C. Install the brake flexible hose with the bolt. D. Install the number 2 sensor clamp to the body with the bolt. E. Install the front wheel speed sensor wire harness clamp. F. Connect the wheel speed sensor connector. 2. Reinstall the front fender liner with 3 new grommets, the 3 screws, and the 8 clips. 3. Reinstall the 8 clips in the side mudguard, then reinstall the 9 retainers, 3 screws, and the 2 clips. Remove the protective tape around the side mudguard. 4. Install the front wheel and lower the vehicle. 5. Connect the negative battery cable to the negative battery terminal. 6. Drive the vehicle straight ahead. Accelerate the vehicle to a speed of 28 miles per hour and confirm that the ABS warning light goes off. Stop the vehicle. This concludes the procedure for replacing an ABS wheel speed sensor on a 2009 Toyota Corolla L4, 1.8 liter. Thank you for watching.